Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Knights Inn Franklin Avenue, Waco. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Located off Highway 84, this pet-friendly hotel is just 1.5 miles from the Heart of Texas Coliseum. It features free Wi-Fi and guest laundry services. A cable TV and an alarm clock are provided in each room at Knights Inn Franklin Avenue, Waco. Rooms also include iron facilities and a hairdryer for convenience. The Waco South Knights Inn is within a 10-minute drive of Cameron Park and Zoo and Baylor University. Dr. Pepper Museum is about 3 miles away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.